Hey guys, it's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy and informed and at home during this difficult time. I am really just praying for the world right now, and I'm praying for all the bad bishes that can't go get their lashes done, their nails done. It's a rough one out here these days. I've been doing my own lash extensions for years because going to get them done is expensive. You have to make an appointment, you have to go. And yeah, so now there's a lot of girls stuck with half a lash, 2 lashes on remaining, and it's not good look. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do your own eyelash extensions at home. My lash bag that I put all of my lash equipment in. Some things that you will need are some tweezers. So I'm using these tweezers from Lily Lashes. They're like the little lash tweezers. I like them because they are super pointy and curved and really thin. It's really easy to get in there. If you don't have lash tweezers, just use regular tweezers. Those will work as well. And don't use your best tweezers because this glue kind of gets everywhere and it's so hard to get off. So you are going to need glue. And like, did you guys see that bug? This is very, very important. Do you see this glue? This is the Ardell. Ah! There's a bee in here, or a fly in here or something. This is the Ardell Lash Tight, and it says 4 individual lashes. It comes in clear and this black color. I like black because it dries black. The clear kind of dries white, so then you can kind of see like the glue in your eyelashes. So I highly recommend the black version. I got this huge bottle, look how big this is, on Amazon. You can also find these at the beauty supply store, sometimes like in a CVS type place. But yeah, so like regular like duo glue for your strips, that's not gonna work. Weave or hair glue, no, don't put that on your eyes. It's not safe. So I really love this glue because it's strong, it keeps the lashes in place, but it's not too harsh or strong that it rips out your eyelashes or that it's hard to remove. So definitely the most important step I feel like is getting the right glue. So this is the glue. And finally, you're going to need some lashes. What you need is like the individual lashes. I recommend the clustered version. So see how they're kind of like, there's like 3 lashes on one fan, as opposed to like the actual individual lashes that professionals use. So these are like 1 hair at a time type lashes. They're a lot harder to work with, but you can do those at home as well. So I recommend the fans, little individuals, and I always use Ardell. I feel like they have the prettiest lashes. So yeah, I will be using 3 sizes today, and I really feel like it's important to have the different sizes so you can get the effect that you want. I really like to have like a cat eye kind of look. So you will need, I'm like running low on lashes, but so the lashes that I will be using today are the Ardell Knot Free Naturals, and this is the length medium black. I will be using the longs. These are in brown. They didn't have any more black, but I like brown. It looks kind of natural. So I'm using brown today, but if you find the black versions, you can use black. And then I'm going to be using short. These are a different brand. I don't have any more of the Ardell short ones, but they're the same length. So you definitely want short, medium, and long. If you have really long lashes already, the shorts are not going to show like at all, and medium is pretty short for most people. So yeah, I just recommend the different sizes. Try them out on your eye shape and see which one works for you. I'm using all 3. I like to usually just pour the glue right into the lash tray. It's easier to just kind of hold it all at once. And so what I do is I very gently, I will pick off a lash from the tray, dip it straight down into the glue so that there's like a little tiny dot of glue all around the base of the lash. For a more natural look, I like to apply them underneath my lash line. It's also nice to have a handheld mirror so you can get really close and see what you're doing. But so for underneath, it's really easy. Really, this just takes practice. You do it a few times, you got it. I promise you can do it. So just take your time, get really close to the mirror. And so to put them on underneath, I hold the mirror kind of down, tilt my head back. Sorry if you guys are seeing any boogers or something. And I'm gonna really open my eyes super wide and just place it right on the base of my lash line. And if it's sliding around a little bit, let the glue get a little more tacky. But I usually just dip it and boom, pop it on. I like to blink because I feel like blinking it kind of squishes it into place. It doesn't burn or anything, doesn't hurt. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to repeat that step. Picking off a lash, dipping it in the glue, tilting my head back, and placing it on the lash base. And so I am first using the mediums, and I use that for the majority of my eye, like the middle part of my eye. So once I get them all underneath and like have the good volume that I want, I will usually take a few and place them on top of the lashes. When you place them on top, it's easier to see the lash extensions, so that's why I don't like to do as many on top, but it's nice to do top and bottom so you kind of have that 3D fluttery look. Okay, so once you get the mediums all in place, that's like kind of the center of your eye, that's the main part. Once you have that done, we're gonna move on. I like to do shorts. So I will take about 2 or 3 shorts and get really close to the inner corner of my eye, just so that the inner corner lashes are thick and full and match, you know, the mediums. So I only put like 2 or 3 right on my inner corner. And finally, I'm going to take the longs and I'm gonna put them on the very outer corners of my eye. And I'm gonna do the same technique I did with the mediums. I'm gonna put most of them underneath the lash line, really close to my lash line, and then I will put a few on top, and I will also put a few in any spaces that I missed. I hope I explained it well enough. It's easier to kind of just watch and see what I'm doing. And I promise you, just after like a few times, you will get the hang of it. The best part about doing your own lashes is you can decide how you want it to look, right? So I like mine to be kind of full, really cat eye. If you want yours to be more natural, you could just use mediums all along. If you just want a little something, something, you could just use shorts. Like, girl, you could do, the possibilities are endless. All right. So now that we have your lashes on, let's talk about maintenance and removal. So to maintain my lashes, I would say that these last a good like 4 or 5 days. If you do nothing, they will last you about 4 or 5 days. And so that means being really careful, like when you take a shower, you don't want to get them sopping wet or sudsy or anything. Just be really gentle with them. You can't sleep on your face, they'll come off. A few will just kind of fall off here and there, just like your natural lashes, or if you had the professional eyelash extensions. So I will usually at the 4th or 5th day mark just fill them, do the same technique, pick up some lashes, any that fell out. Don't reuse the lashes, by the way. Get some new lashes and I'll just stick them on places that fell out. And then if I want to completely remove them, I will completely remove them and take a break every 2 weeks at least. Completely remove them, I will usually put coconut oil on and go to sleep. Let the coconut oil eat at the glue all night, and then in the morning I will use a hot washcloth and then just kind of let the warm water sit on my eyes for a little bit, and then the lashes should slide right off. Super easy, no pain. Just make sure you're sliding them. Don't just try to rip it off. Like, be gentle. The glue is loosened up because you don't want to pull out your natural lashes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and let me know if you want to see any other like at-home DIY beauty hacks because we're all in this together. Stay safe, stay positive. It's a great day, blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time.